first tip is all about keyboard shortcuts. So I'm on my iPhone here. I'm going to scroll down here. I'm just going to go and search for keyboard. And when you go to keyboard, you've got these text replacement functions, and I've got some in there. So you can see one of them, for example, is at IT or BPS. Let's have a look at BPS. So I'm going to just go into my email here, and I'm going to go to the Face ID, and I'm going to write a new email, and I'm going to type in BPS. And when I do that, it gives me, when I press the enter there, it gives me the whole address of BPS. So keyboard shortcuts allow you to be able to put in text there. So for example, another one I've got at BR. As I type that, then it gives my email address. So really useful. You can add it something like this, so you can paste whatever you want in there. You can put your bank account details, anything else that you use on a regular basis. You can put it into there and give it a shortcut. Okay, that's enough for me. Now it's over to 5 tips for talking to your kids about generative AI. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.
From chatbots to image generators, it seems like artificial intelligence tools that create new content are popping up everywhere these days. And, like any tool, those based on AI can be used inappropriately. So, now's the time to talk with your kids about safe and responsible use. Here are 5 tips to help your family explore AI together. First, talk about both the benefits and the risks. Lots of AI tools can help kids be creative and learn new skills. On the flip side, they tend to collect and keep lots of user information. This can put privacy at risk, so make sure your kids are behaving safely online. Second, try out AI tools together. Adult involvement is key to making sure that your kids aren't exposed to anything inappropriate. Taking a test drive as a family can also get everyone thinking about the ways they already interact with artificial intelligence. Third, discuss the biases in tech. Because AI programs are designed by humans and pull information from across the internet, they can make a lot of mistakes. This is especially true when it comes to race and gender. Encourage your kids to be critical thinkers and to always question the writing, images, and posts that AI tools create. Fourth, talk about plagiarism and cheating. Many popular AI tools generate text and images that offer an easy shortcut for kids' schoolwork. Remind your kids that claiming credit for work they didn't create could land them in big trouble. And number 5, reach out to teachers for support. Teachers at your child's school might already be using AI programs in the classroom. If so, ask about tools you can use at home to support learning. These could be anything from websites that help kids with learning disabilities to apps that teach another language. For more helpful tips and advice, visit us at commonsense.org/families.